Good morning, my dear students. So, let us discuss the different types of financial institutions. So, today let us discuss the fee based services. In the previous session, we have understood the different types of financial services. There are two types mainly. One is the fund based service, and the second one is the fee based service. So we have already understood the fund based services and which are the different types of the fund based services. So today let us understand the fee based services. Fee based services. Financial intermediaries, they will provide the service on the basis of non-fund based activities, or even you can call this as fee based activity. So after the fund based activities, the modern services were introduced. So they are like, for example, merchant banking, portfolio management, corporate counseling, corporate restructuring, etc. And all these are the services which are provided on the basis of the fees, and therefore they are called as the fee based services. A variety of services are being provided under this, and they include particularly managing the capital issue, making arrangement for the placement of the capital. If there is any need of the capital, so they will make arrangement for that capital. Then they will make arrangement for the placement of the capital, and at the same time the debt instruments with the investment institutions, and arrangement of the funds from the financial institutions, from the that is particularly from the client's projects or his working capital requirement, assisting in the process of getting all government and other clearances. So here today, customer, whether he is an individual or a corporate, they are not satisfied with the mere provision of the finance. So they are expecting something more from the financial service companies. So here fund based activities means they are also called as the fee based activities, and they provide service on the basis of non-fund based activities. So there are a variety of services are being provided under this here. So let us make the different types of services that are being provided under this fee based services. First one is merchant banking. So merchant banking is a financial intermediary. So he mediates the it is a financial intermediary, and he is mediating between the corporate and the saver, the person who wants to save and where he is saving that money. So between the corporate and the saver, he is mediating, and he is performing a number of financial services like the capital issue management, corporate counseling, portfolio management, project counseling, advisory services, etc. Then second one is capital issue management. What is this capital issue management? So the process of collecting capital, it will involve a number of activities. That is, it involves the preparation of prospectus that is approved by the Security Exchange Bank of India, which is SEBI, appointment of issue managers, brokers, advertisement agencies, etc. And all this will need experience in their respective field. So these activities are performed usually or particularly by some specific organization, including the merchant bankers, and these are also called as the issue houses. Then the third one is the portfolio management. So the individuals and the institutions, they invest fund in the various opportunities. But for investment, these questions are to be answered. So that is where to invest, how much to invest, when to invest, and then when to withdraw from the investment. So these questions are to be answered. So in the financial services market, financial service market, these questions are effectively answered that is by the portfolio managers. Then fourth one is corporate counseling. So here it means counseling to the corporations. So why there is a need for the counseling to the corporations? So the problems and the business organizations, that is the problems and the problems of the companies and the business organizations are addressed here. And the corporate problems in the field, whether it is in the field of production, whether it is in the field of marketing, or whether it is in the field of the finance, etc., are all solved here. So therefore there is a counseling for the corporations. Then the next one is mergers, amalgamations, acquisitions, takeover service. So here the structure of the business organizations are always changing. So big organizations, they are thinking of becoming bigger organizations. So that such changes, becoming bigger means changes may be in the form of the merger of the two companies, amalgamation of the companies, acquisition of the companies, or takeover of the companies. So in all these cases, whether it is merger, amalgamation, acquisition, or the takeover, in all these cases there is an either closure of one organization or a creation of a new organization. And for this purpose there are specialized agencies which will guide on merger and on the amalgamation. Then the next one is stock broking. So this is one of the most important service in the stock exchange. So what is a stock exchange? It is an organized market. It deals with the sale and purchase of the equity shares, debentures, instruments that are issued by the various companies. So the agents who are acting as a mediators for such trades, they are called as the stock brokers. Those who are acting as a mediators for trading of such instruments, we call them as the stock brokers. Then the next one is credit rating. So what is credit rating? It means rating the credit worthiness of the securities that are issued by the company. So it will give comparative pictures of the bonds, debentures, etc. And these services are usually rendered by some organized professional bodies in India. And in India there are many institutions which are rendering such type of services, like for example CRISL, CRISL, ICRA and CARE. So these are some of the institutions which are rendering these services. Then arranging foreign collaboration. So the world has become a common entity nowadays. So these companies are moving from one country to another country. They collaborate financially, they collaborate technically, and these arrangements all require knowledge about the international rules and the conditions. So if both the countries agree, then the contract it is arranged. And nowadays foreign collaboration, it is gaining more and more importance. So arranging for the foreign collaboration. Then the last one is corporate and capital restructuring. So the organizations undergo the restructuring process. So what is this restructuring here? Restructuring means making changes in the existing style and the capital. So this will require an organized plan for the institution. Organization has to make a plan. So capital structuring means changing the components of the capital. Changing the components of the capital. So these changes will involve a number of risks, that is particularly in the Indian modern merchant banks or surrender the professional organization. So therefore, these are some of the different types of fee-based financial services. So fee-based financial service means they are the services which are provided on the basis of the non-fund based activities, and they are also called as the fee-based activities, and the modern services were introduced after the fund-based activities. They are particularly merchant banking, portfolio management, corporate counseling, corporate restructuring, etc., and variety of services are being provided under this fee based services, and it will include right from the managing of the capital to making arrangement for the placement of the capital and the debt instruments with the investment institutions. So there are many types of fee-based services here, like the merchant banking, then capital issue management, portfolio management, corporate counseling, mergers, amalgamation, acquisitions and takeover, then stock broking, credit rating, arranging for the capital collaboration, corporate and capital restructuring. So many 2 marks question may be asked here, like for example, what is a fee based service, what is a merchant banking, what is a capital issue management, what is corporate counseling, what is portfolio management, then what is stock broking, what is credit rating, then what is capital restructuring, etc. So many 2 marks question may be asked here. 5 marks question may also be asked here. What are the different types, what is a fee based service and what are the different types of fee based services? So 5 marks question may be asked, and a long question, that is what are the different types of the financial services, explain briefly. So 10 marks question, when it is asked there, you have to write both, that is fee based services and the fund based services. So I hope all of you have understood this, what are the different types of the fee based financial services. Once again, we shall meet in the next session. Thank you.